Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. So let me kind of open it. Okay. And let me swipe it here. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to enter the settings which are in this upper panel. So let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on languages and types. We've got only English in this list, so let's tap on manage input languages, and we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. Some of the languages are pre-installed, so you can apply them just by using the switcher, and sometimes you will have to download it, but no worries, simply tap on this download icon and they will be downloaded and immediately applied. So let me pick, for example, Arabic. As I said, all we have to do is to tap on this switcher. Right now it is active, so we can go back to the list. We can check that the Arabic has been applied to the list, so everything went fine. We've got also an additional option to change the language switching method. So let's tap on it. And basically we can pick the language key and spacebar swipe, language key or spacebar swipe only. It's up to you. It will be useful if you've got 2 different or 3 languages applied. If you want to leave only one language, so for example Arabic in my case, all you will have to do is to simply turn off the English. However, before I will do it, I want to go back because I want to show you how it will look like on the keyboard, and I've got some problems. Okay, and I just wanted to show you that we've got another icon, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So currently I'm typing English, and after tapping on this globe icon I can switch to the Arabic one. Also you will see the name of the language on the spacebar, so you can always check which one you've got applied. So this is how to use the keyboard with 2 different languages. And now let's go back to this section where we can remove the languages. So we have to tap on manage input languages and turn off, I would like to turn off the Arabic, so I will have only English applied, and in your case it can be any other language of your choice which you want to use to write. And basically if you've got only one language there, it means that you will be able to write only in one language of your choice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.